Malaking inamin netong si RJ Abarientos dito sa malaking galaw na ginawa ng barangay few weeks ago. Yan matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Sa nakalipas na araw nga mga bulero, ating napakinggan itong panig nila J.O. Chu, Juan Gomez de Liaño at etong first round pick ng barangay na si Sonny Estel sa naganap na draft. Kaya naman ngayon, atin namang pakinggan itong panig ni Jeff Carriazo matapos silang makakuha ng iba't ibang bala, including itong si Dal Panopio.
Actually, we're very happy with the first two picks are the picks that we wanted. We felt they were going to be available, lalo na si Simon. Blessing din yung available pa rin to si Jack. And then we really want to look at Una, see what he can bring, no? So, yeah, we'll go there. I know we picked up a few other guys just so we can look at them. But generally, I think it's a good draft for us, and we have some tough decisions to make, you know?
How about Dal Panopio? What did you saw in him?
We like him from day one. We like the fact that he can be a combo guard, play 1 and 2. Feeling naman with the guard that we have now, he can easily gel with any of our current guards. Pwede siya maging 1, pwede siya maging 2. So just being able to have that luxury for him to play both ways, I think it's a positive for us.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa isang panayam naman dito kay RJ Abarientos, nagbigay siya ng kaunting update regarding sa mga ginagawa nito this off-season.
First of all, syempre same routine pa rin. Still doing my routine every morning, workouts, speed work, doing weights. And then sa hapon naman, swimming. So just doing my thing lang.
Pero maliban dyan, may malaking inamin din si RJ patungkol dito sa malaking galaw na ginawa ng barangay few weeks ago.
Siyempre sobrang happy ako with my tito joining here sa Ginebra, and hopefully magkaroon ng magandang tandem or spark dito sa Barangay Ginebra, and of course dito rin naman siya galing before, so I'm very excited na sana makakuha ko ng isa or dalawa or tatlo kasama si Tito. Actually, gina-joke ko lang si Tito dati na sana magpunta siya sa amin, sana may way na magpunta ka sa Ginebra. And then that time nasa Taiwan ako, nasa vacation ako. Doon namin nalaman ng asawa ko na nasa train kami, and lumabas sa news na official nga na si Tito. As in, hindi ko maano yung emosyon ko, talagang grabe. So sobrang thankful lang dahil kasama kami ni Tito dito sa Ginebra.